the heck is Sony thinking with this fat thing? They wanted it. They don't want none of that thermal crap y'all dealing with. You know, all that jet engine, that lawnmower. They done with all that. Now with this big one, but she thick though. What is going on, guys? BCD here, back with another quick video. And today I have the PS5 in my hands, people. She thicker than I expected. Even though I knew she was gonna be thick, she a lot thicker than I expected. I ain't gonna hold you. Boy, oh boy, did Sony outdo themselves with the thickness. Look at this. Look how big this thing is. That's my arm length. I noticed the box. We're going to get her open, and she going to still feel the same. But let's just go ahead and get to the unboxing experience. Let me get these out the way. I picked up Spiderman and Demon Souls, and I do those. I'll show you. I'm going to actually be showing off some gameplay of that, too, on that Vizio. Stop playing with me. Girl. Just like my old lady playing hard to get. Get you open. Lay you down. Jesus, man. She ain't even framed almost. She's too thick. Get all that, dude. Slap somebody at the design department, dude. Whoever designed this thing. Crazy. Boy, she's still thick. I told you she would be. Ooh. There it is. Thicker than a Snicker. Thicker than a Snicker. Hold on, you doing some things to me. I just might leave my old lady for you. Let me see. Got the HDMI, got 2 ports on the back. Y'all know all this stuff. We got the LAN cable, got the power. That's it. And we got the USB-C, and then another USB port on the front, eject, power button. If you don't have this one, then you wouldn't see this, but yeah, there she is. There she is. Ooh, she annoying too. I hate when they don't know what to do with they weight, bro. She definitely don't know what she doing all that. Got the stand, which I'm gonna probably put mine in vertically if it fit. Let's see if it fit. I have to make sure it fits. Yeah, it fits. There go that controller. Woo-wee. First impressions of the controller, I ain't gonna lie to you, it don't feel as good as the Xbox one. That's just my opinion. Maybe it's preference. We'll see how these adaptive triggers work, but right now, I ain't gonna lie, and I don't even care what y'all say. I own both. They got my money, so I can say what I want. I don't. play with it, but I definitely prefer the Xbox controller's layout. But I always have, even since the PS4. So I would think that would still go on with this one. The feel in the hand is okay. I feel like it's just, honestly, it's just not as good as the Xbox. My opinion. Your opinion could be different. But you got to get one first. I know these mugs is hard to get right now. If people could scrap in the street, they'd be scrapping in the street. But all they can do is complain online. These stuffs is rough. Got your HDMI cable. This is the HDMI that's 2.1 certified. Yeah, I'm about to hook this mug up to this Vizio. We're gonna test it together, y'all. Because if it don't work, I'm gonna be annoyed. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Got your DualSense, got your paperwork, got your power cord, HDMI cord, you got your stand. There's obviously the screw, so I'm gonna screw this down here and shortly. You gotta like take it out. If it'll come out, shoot. There we go. Take that out, put that on. Then we got the Spiderman Miles Morales. This the game I'm most anticipating of playing for the new gen, even though it's on the PS4 too. So you don't have to buy a PS5 to play Miles Morales. You can play it on your PS4. Remember that. Then I got Demon Souls. Demon Souls was a graphical treat I wanted to treat myself to. It looked graphically impressive. That's impressive. They don't give you nothing. It's just this. No art inside. Same type of PS5 disc, or same as PS4 Blu-ray discs. Nothing different about it. Miles Morales. Let's see if you give me something. Okay, Miles Morales gave me a little artwork inside. If y'all can see that. Oh, give me 3 extra skill points. Okay. And then that, got like a little Spiderman symbol. Alright. It's time to hook her up, man. I ain't got time for all this. Time to hook her up. But yeah, that's pretty much it for me. I'm finna put up a video pretty shortly going through the setup process. And I'll also be showing off that Vizio OLED again. But thank you guys for watching. Talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.